Hello dear students, I am Preeti Rajawat. Today in this video I am going to explain class 7 computer chapter 2 computer virus. So today's class we will cover some topics computer virus and its types and identify different types of viruses and also learn to take precautions against computer virus. Now let's start today's class. Computer virus. Virus stands for Vital Information Resource under siege. Viruses are programs which are created deliberately to damage critical information and data. A virus can badly affect it or infect our computer without our knowledge and can alter its working. Once a virus is in our computer, our files and operating system get damaged. So very few viruses are harmless. They display only a simple message. But most of viruses are very harmful. They destroy data or even entire hard disks. Types of viruses. File infector, boot sector virus, executable file virus and microvirus. So now let's one by one. File infector virus. File infector virus is the most common type of virus. It adds virus code to regular programming code within the files. So when the infected program is executed, other files also get infected. And second is boot sector virus. Boot sector virus attaches itself to the boot sector of the disk. This sector is the part of the disk where startup instructions and the file allocation tables are kept. This sector is read and loaded into memory every time the disk is booted. Eventually, this virus is very dangerous. Third is executable file virus. Executable file virus stores itself in an executable file and other files each time the file is run or executed. Fourth is microvirus. Microvirus infects files that are created using certain applications or programs that contain micros. These mini programs make it possible to automate series of operations so that they are performed as a single action, thereby saving the user from having to carry them out one by one. Some examples of viruses: worm, Trojan horse, rootkit, sweeper, sleeper, logic worm, adware, spyware. Worm is a harmless virus that simply replicates itself, and Trojan horse is a friendly virus, and rootkit is also a computer viruses, and adware is a program that display an unwanted advertisements in a banner on pop-up ads. This is adware. And spyware is also a program placed on computer or mobile device without the user knowledge that secretly collect information about the user and then communicate or sends the same information to some outside source while the user is online. Sources of the viruses. Viruses are activated on your computer through the following sources. Email. Email viruses are spread by files attached to email messages. You cannot get an email virus from a message that contains only text. When you open an email attachment that contains a virus, the virus spreads to our computer. So if you forward the attachment to other people, their computers will also get affected when they open the attachment. And second source is internet download. Internet download, there is a lot of stuff to download from the internet, but if something in the stuff you want to download is infected by a virus, then the virus enters our computer system, and virus then replicate itself and infects other files on our computer. So this means if our computer is infected by virus, then whatever files you share with others could contain the virus. And third source is software distribution. If your computer is virus infected and you copy a software on a CD or pen drive to distribute to others, the virus of our computer might also get copied on the CD or pen drive. The person who installed this software on his computer unknowingly gets his computer infected by the virus. Some precautions are there. Means there is no method to guarantee protection of a computer or network from viruses and other malware. So you should take some precautions to protect our computer from these infections. First is do not start a computer with removable media inserted in the drive or plugged in the ports. For example, optical disc drive should be empty, and a USB port should not contain a USB flash drive. And never open an email attachments unless you are expecting the attachment and it is a from a trusted source. So a trusted source is a company or a person you believe will not send a virus knowingly. So if the email messages is from an untrusted source, delete the email messages immediately without opening or executing any attachment. To keep our computer safe from viruses, always download software and files from trusted websites. And install an antivirus program on our computer, update the software and the virus signature files regularly. Thank you attending today's class.